Welcome to Don't Lecture Me channel. Today we're playing something really fun. Guess the correct logo of some popular brand or an app. And before we get started, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out any of our videos. Let's get started. Good luck! Round 1. Too many people undervalue what they are and overvalue what they're not. Do you like my sense of humor? Round 2. There was a time Einstein couldn't count to 10 either. Be careful. Round 3. Do you think it's too easy? Do it! Make your dreams come true. Round 4. My subscribers are the smartest person in the world. You bring light to my life. Round 5. I really love your smart brain. Please never give up. Round 6. I must say you're really great at this. I like the way your mind works. Round 7. I'm proud of you. I think that's too easy for you, am I right? Mistakes are proof that you're trying. Round 8. What a smart person. I know it always seems impossible until it's done. Round 9. You are really great at solving this quiz. I will really look forward to our meeting tomorrow on this channel. Round 10. Do you already know the answer? Don't let your dreams to be dreams. Just do it. You are the smartest person in the world. Remember it. You are sharp-witted. Be the best you can be. Remember it. I believe in you. Subscribe to my channel. See you soon.